Look.
Look.
Can you flick the light on?
Guess who's here?
Good horse.
Look.
You know who's here?
Good horse.
Santa Claus was here.
Who is here?
Santa.
Take out your pinky.
Santa.
Look it. I bet one's for you and one's for Danny.
A guitar. Can you play it? Play it.
Okay. Doesn't make any noise.
Let me see. I'll show you. Bring it over here.
Doesn't make any noise.
We'll fix it.
Hey, is that your stocking over there? Let's go look at your stocking. Come on, let's go see if there's stuff in it.
Yeah, good.
Watch out for Jack. Morning, Jack. Let's go see if there's stuff in it, sweetie. Oh, look. Is that your stocking? Is that your Rudolph stocking?
Look it.
What did Santa Claus leave you? What's that? It looks like you're singing to it. Here, take your binky out. Try singing to it. Wow. Maybe we should yell, "Thank you, Santa." Maybe he'll hear us.
This is Santa.
Yeah. Ah, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say I love you.
Love you.
I like that.